Amazon is a goldmine of data, but most of the sellers don't know where to find it. The ones who do, they're hitting 7 figures. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the hidden data using brand analytics, search query performance, customer journey analytics, and scale your Amazon business fast. So let's dive in. Alright, so let's talk about the first one, which is search query performance report. To find this, click on hamburger menu and then brand, click on the brand analytics. Now brand analytics is already loaded with data. Like you can see the customer journey, customer loyalty, customer behavior. Alright, I'll talk about this in a minute. Now let's move to the search query performance. Basically, it is keyword based. It shows you exactly which keywords are hot, how many people are searching, and where the opportunities lie. For example, this keyword has 5,000 total impression and brand share you are seeing, it is ours, which means we got 1,000 impression using this keyword. Now what we need to do is we need to compare it with clicks, and then we need to check how many purchases happened with these specific keywords. If click is low, that means we need to change the title and images. If clicks is good but purchase is not up to mark, that means this is the conversion problem, and for that you need to change the A+ content, the product description, maybe lower the price a bit, discount or coupon help increase your conversions. Alright, I think you got this. But if you don't, we have full tutorial video on it. You can check on the description. Next, I'm gonna talk about customer journey analytics. This tool is new in Seller Central, but it's a goldmine for sellers. So this dashboard basically tracks the entire customer journey from the very first moment someone notices your brand all the way to when they actually make a purchase. First one is awareness. This is where people first see you. How many eyes are on your brand or category. For example, in this sample month, we had 54,000 people becoming aware of the brand. But the branded search ratio was just 0.03%. That tells a story. If branded search is low, people don't really know who you are yet. If it is high, congrats, your brand is getting noticed. Next up is consideration. This is when people start comparing you with competitors. We had 23,000 customers in this stage, and out of them, 6532 are what we call high potential shoppers. Basically, your golden audience. Now, if you have a lot of people considering but not buying, that's a signal your listing might need some tweaks. Maybe your title, description, images, or search terms aren't hitting the mark yet. Then comes intent, the make or break stage. This shows who added your product to the cart, save it for later, or added it to the wish list. In our example, there were 4,000 intent customers. From these, 3,500 added to the cart, 626 added to wish list, and 704 saved for later. This tells us people want your product, but something stopping them from hitting buy. Maybe your price isn't right, maybe your competitors are stronger, or maybe the product detail aren't convincing enough yet. Finally, the purchase stage, the finish line. Here we see new to brand orders versus repeat purchases. In this case, 1,333 were new customers and 75 were repeat buyers. Now, low repeat purchases aren't necessarily bad. Some products just aren't bought frequently. If that's the case, focus on bringing new customers instead of stressing about loyalty loops. Alright, I think you got this. Now let's talk about account health dashboard, Amazon's silent growth blocker. It tracks your performance metrics and policy compliance. Why it matters? High account health is equal to better visibility, trust, and no penalties. Low account health, Amazon can suppress your listing or even suspend your account. Here is what to watch. Order defect rate. Keep it below 1%. Fixed by giving accurate product info, fast customer support, and quality control. Next is late shipping rate. Keep it under 4%. Avoid delays with proper inventory and realistic handling time. FBA helps here. And the next, pre-fulfillment cancellations. You need to keep it below 2.5%. Keep stock updated and avoid listing mistakes. Valid tracking rate, minimum 95%. So use reliable carriers and update tracking immediately. Plus, stay compliant with Amazon policies. No IP violations, restricted products, or bad customer service. Here is a pro tip. Check this dashboard regularly. Act on warning fast and track trends with reports. High account health doesn't just protect your business, it powers your growth. Alright, that's it for today's deep dive into scaling your Amazon business with data. If you want more step-by-step tutorials, real case studies, and behind-the-scenes strategies, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you want us to break down any specific Amazon tool next. Remember, on Ecomclips, we don't chase hacks, we chase real growth. See you in the next time. Bye bye.